So it's finally our last day in Kumbhalgarh, and it's the second last day of our trip, and we'll be leaving for Jodhpur today. So now we'll have a breakfast and then leave for our road journey. It's approximately a 3 to 4 hours journey from Kumbhalgarh, and then we have one sightseeing spot to be covered, post which we'll continue with our road journey, and we'll reach Jodhpur as soon as possible. So let's get started. So now we have come to the Ranakpur Jain temple, and we'll visit this beautiful Jain temple, and then we'll be carrying on with our road journey to Jodhpur. So let's explore this fast and leave for Jodhpur. So we finally visited the Janakpuri Jain temple, which is in Ranakpur, and it was a beautiful depiction of history, culture and art, and it was extremely beautiful. There were like 24 pillars beautifully carved in marble. Even if you try to draw it on the paper, it's like near to impossible, but it was extremely beautiful. The timings for this temple is around 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. There is no entry fee as such, and you would really enjoy the craftsmanship of the olden days, and it's genuinely a must visit place in my opinion. And there's a locker where if you come before 12 p.m. you will have to deposit your mobile phones in the locker, which costed us around 10 rupees for whatever amount of devices you have. And you can, if you want to click pictures of this temple, you can come after 12 p.m. and that would be costing you around 100 rupees per device it seems, and you will be able to click pictures inside the temple. And apart from this, you have the Bhojanalaya section over here, where it costs around 90 rupees per plate, as in per person. So it was extremely beautiful, and no short clothes are allowed. You can rent long trousers for like 220 rupees. The 200 rupees would be refunded back, and 20 rupees would be kept by them. So this was it for this place. So let's get on to our Jodhpur road journey. Reached the Pratap Niwas hotel, and we have checked into room number 102. It gives us a really palatial effect, and it seems like I'm staying in some palace. So here comes the main bedroom area, which is like quite spacious. Just look at the painting and the furnitures over here. See, there is some Raja's photo as well, and here comes the wardrobe area. I'm getting those vintage vibes from here. So we have kept the luggage over here. Here is the locker section, and here is the storage section. So all these furnitures give me the feel of vintage. And here comes again to keep your luggages. This is the storage section, additional storage section. And here comes the mirror area, which is like extremely beautiful. I'm in love with this vintage feel. And here comes the main bathroom area. And as you enter here, here's the basin area, and here is the pot area, and we have the shower area over here. It's quite spacious, and it's giving the royal vibes I'm getting that royal vibes from this room. And here is the complimentary tea section. Here is the kettle section, so you can prepare your tea and coffee as per your choice. So this was it for the room tour. Even the property is like extremely royal, and we'll be, getting freshened up and maybe explore the city and the property in some time. So see you in a bit. Explored the markets, Sardarpur B Road Wala, and it was amazing. We also had a dinner over there. We tried Raj Kachori, Bhel Puri, and all the chaat, and also Rajma rice, which was the best part of the today's dinner. And this was it for today. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.